Today I am reviewing the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi ProSeries motherboard. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're building a high-performance PC on a budget, the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi ProSeries motherboard is an outstanding choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone looking to maximize the potential of AMD Ryzen processors. This Micro-ATX motherboard supports 3rd-gen AMD Ryzen processors and even future Ryzen CPUs with a simple BIOS update, giving you long-term upgrade flexibility. Right off the bat, the motherboard impresses with its dual-channel DDR4 memory support. You can install up to 128 GB of RAM at speeds of 4,400 MHz, which means whether you're gaming, streaming, or working with demanding applications, your system won't bottleneck. The Core Boost technology ensures your CPU receives precise and stable power, optimizing performance while keeping efficiency in check. Gamers will appreciate the PCIe 4.0 support and Lightning Gen 4 M.2 slot with M.2 Shield Frozzer. These features allow you to connect ultra-fast NVMe SSDs and minimize thermal throttling, resulting in lightning-fast load times for games and applications. USB performance is also top-notch, with AMD Turbo USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports delivering rapid data transfer for external drives and peripherals. Audio is another standout feature of the MSI B550M PRO-VDH. Thanks to Audio Boost technology and a Realtek ALC892/LC897 audio codec, you get studio-grade sound for immersive gaming experiences, whether you're listening through headphones or high-quality speakers. Clear, crisp audio can give you that competitive edge in games or enhance your media experience. Thermal management has not been overlooked either. This motherboard features a premium thermal solution with heatsink pads rated at 7W/MK and a 2 ounces thickened copper PCB, ensuring that even under heavy loads, the system remains cool and stable. MSI has also made it easy to update or recover BIOS settings with a flash BIOS button, which works even without a CPU or memory installed, a very handy feature for builders and upgraders. Connectivity options are also robust. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable wireless internet and device connections straight out of the box, and the board supports DSUB, HDMI, and DisplayPort for multiple display setups. Whether you're a casual user or someone running multi-monitor gaming or productivity setups, this motherboard has you covered. Overall, the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi ProSeries motherboard is a reliable, high-performance solution for anyone looking to build a compact yet powerful system. It combines cutting-edge features, excellent build quality, and versatile connectivity, all at an affordable price point. From gaming and streaming to productivity and creative work, this motherboard provides a solid foundation for any AMD Ryzen build. In short, if you want stability, speed, and features without breaking the bank, the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi is a motherboard that delivers on every front.